Hello students, welcome to the EVS class. I am your EVS teacher. Today we are going to start our next chapter. Chapter number is 12, Clean Water. Now we are going to start our chapter about chapter. You have learned that water is essential for survived. You have learned that water is essential for survival. Water is present in lakes, rivers, etc. It is used for drinking after it is cleaned by the public water works and is supplied to our home. In this chapter, you will learn about water pollution, how water pollution can be reduced, potable water, methods of making top water safe for drinking, and about safe handling of water. The water present in lakes, rivers, and ponds cannot be used for drinking directly. Water in these water bodies is used by us for several activities. This has resulted in polluting it. Look at the picture, students. What is water pollution? Water pollution is the dirtying of water with undesirable things. Man pollutes water bodies like lakes, rivers, and ponds by washing clothes, bathing animals, throwing garbage and factory waste into them. People also throw dead bodies of animals into them. Do you know what are the things that pollute the lake or river in your city? Has anyone you know fallen sick after drinking unclean water? All these activities result in polluting the water bodies, thus making the water in them unfit and unsafe for our use. Seas are becoming dumping sites and garbage waste from factories is disposed of into them. Oil spills from tankers and oil wells also pollute the seawater. What are the effects of water pollution? Drinking polluted water can cause diseases like cholera, jaundice, and diarrhea. Polluted water can cause skin diseases. Aquatic plants and animals are also affected. Aquatic animals fall sick and often die. Animals and humans that eat these infected animals also fall sick. Watering of crops by polluted water makes the soil infertile and damages crops. How can water bodies be protected? We all should behave in a responsible way and prevent polluting water bodies. Wastes from factories should be treated before being thrown into lakes, rivers, or seas. Garbage should not be thrown into lakes and rivers. Defecating and urinating near water bodies should be banned. Water pipes should not be laid near the sewage pipes as any leakage in the sewage pipe can cause pollution of drinking water. Wells should be kept covered to protect the water from rust. Do you know what color and taste does potable water? Have you ever noticed muddy water coming out from the taps? How is tap water made safe for drinking in your house? Why is chlorine added to the water in swimming pools? What is potable water? Water that is safe for drinking is called drinking water or potable water. This water is of a high quality. It is clean and does not have any smell. The water in our taps can be made for safe drinking. The water in our taps can be made safe for drinking. How can tap water be made safe for drinking? First one is boiling. Water contains germs that are not visible to us. The best way to kill germs is to boil the water for 10 minutes, cool it and strain it before drinking. Filters. Water filters can be used to remove impurities in water. RO is an example of a modern filter that is used nowadays. adding chemicals. Chlorine is added to water to kill germs and to make the water safe for drinking. Look at the pictures, students. How is water from rivers and lakes treated before it reaches your tap? Water from rivers and lakes goes through pipes to the water treatment plant in cities to be treated before it is sent to the taps in our houses. The steps involved in cleaning the water are coagulation. This helps to remove dirt and other suspended particles present in the water. Coagulation. This helps to remove dirt and water. Coagulation. This helps to remove dirt and other suspended particles present in the water. Sedimentation. This helps to settle down the heavy insoluble particles present in water. Filtration. This helps to remove the smaller insoluble particles present in water. The water is made to pass through filters layers of sand, gravel and charcoal. Disinfectants like chlorine is added in water to kill germs. Storage. Water is stored in big closed tanks and is sent to houses through a network of pipes. What is the correct and safe way to handle water? Although fourth of the earth's surface is covered with water, 97% of water is in the seas and oceans. The water is salty. Hence, it cannot be used for household purposes. 2% of the rest is frozen in icebergs and glaciers. Out of the remaining 1%, 0.5% is too far under the earth beyond our reach. This leaves us on 0.5% of fresh water for our use. It is thus important to use water wisely and handle it carefully. Keep the following in mind. Keep overhead tanks covered. Use a ladle or a mug to draw out water from the container it is stored. Use a ladle or a mug to draw and water from the container it is stored in. Store water in clean containers. Overhead tanks in which water is stored should be cleaned regularly to prevent contamination of water. Now we conclude our chapter with the remember points. Water pollution is the dirtying of water with undesirable things. Water pollution is the dirtying of water with undesirable things. Drinking dirty water causes diseases like typhoid, cholera, etc. Polluted water harms aquatic plants and animals. Water bodies can be protected from pollution by not throwing garbage in them, not unirrigating and defeating in them, etc. Water that is safe for drinking is called potable water. Tap water can be made safe for drinking by boiling, filtering and adding chemicals. Water should be stored in clean containers and kept covered to prevent it from becoming dirty. This is not our last. Okay, students, here is our topic and now we will meet our next class with the new next chapter. Okay, students, keep studying. All the best.